Miracles of Mind by Earl Nightingale in my Indian accent to facilitate better understanding. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can take control of your thoughts, harness the power of your conscious mind, subconscious mind, and use the law of attraction to create the life you desire. I'll share with you some of the most valuable insights and tips on how to set clear goals, develop a positive mental attitude, and maintain a sense of gratitude. So, whether you're struggling with doubt, feeling stuck in your career, or simply looking to improve your life, the miracle of your mind holds the key to unlocking your full potential. So get ready to learn, to grow, and transform your life as we delve into the power of your mind. Here are 17 lessons you can get out of this topic, the miracle of mind, ad verbatim, as delivered by Earl Nightingale in my voice. Lesson number one: your mind is like a garden. Your consciousness is comparable to a garden. Your mind is like a garden and it needs regular upkeep and tender loving care in order to achieve its full potential. Just like a garden, your mind may get overrun with negative ideas and attitudes, much like weeds in a garden. If you don't give it the attention and care it needs, this might make it more difficult for you to concentrate or come to conclusions and take action. Additionally, it can have an effect on both your mental and physical health, potentially leading to conditions such as stress, anxiety, and depression. However, if you give it the time and energy it deserves, your mind has the potential to become a rich soil for professional and personal growth. You may develop good ideas and attitudes, much like the gardener. Waters, fertilizes, weeds, and prunes his garden. You can also push yourself to learn and grow and frequently tend to your mind, and you will be able to reap a plentiful crop of success, happiness, and contentment. Remember, my good friend, that just as a garden has to be cared for in order to provide a rich harvest, your mind needs to be cultivated and kept in good condition in order for you to realize your full potential in life and reap a bountiful harvest of success, happiness, and fulfillment. By regularly practicing positive self reflection and personal growth, we can develop a mindset that is focused on success and personal development. Lesson number two: your mind is capable of incredible things. I want to share with you a fundamental truth that has the power to transform your life. You have the power to control your thoughts and focus on positive, uplifting ideas. Your mind is capable of incredible things. The human mind is a remarkable instrument that has the ability to create and achieve things beyond what we can even imagine. However, many people do not realize the true potential of their minds. The mind is a powerful tool that can either work for you or against you. The thoughts and beliefs that you hold in your mind have a direct impact on your actions and ultimately your life. If you focus on negative thoughts and dwell on things that hold you back, you limit yourself and hinder your own progress. However, then you harness the power of your mind to focus on positive, uplifting ideas, you can achieve greatness. You have the power to control your thoughts and beliefs. You can choose to focus on positive, uplifting ideas that will fuel your actions and lead you to success, or you can allow negative thoughts to take over and hold you back. It all starts with taking control of your thoughts and directing them towards positive, empowering ideas. Developing a positive mindset is not always easy, but it's crucial for achieving success and fulfillment in life. What action can you take? You can start by consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Whenever you find yourself thinking negatively, take a moment to reframe your thoughts and focus on something positive. Practice gratitude and focus on the things in your life that you are thankful for this will help to shift your perspective and create a positive mindset. Lesson number 3: you have the power to control your thoughts and focus on positive, uplifting ideas. One of the most important things you can do for yourself is to recognize the power you have over your own thoughts. The thoughts that you entertain in your mind have a profound impact on the quality of your life. If you allow negative thoughts to dominate your thinking, you will find yourself feeling unhappy, frustrated, and limited in your potential. But if you learn to control your thoughts and focus on positive, uplifting ideas, you will discover a world of opportunities and possibilities. You have the power to choose what you think about. You can either allow your mind be filled with negative, self-defeating thoughts, or you can choose to focus on positive, empowering ideas. It all starts with recognizing that you have this power and then taking steps to achieve it, to exercise it. There are two kinds of external and internal controls that you can exercise. Internally, you can control your thoughts by practicing mindfulness. This involves becoming more aware of your thoughts and feelings and learning to observe them without judgment. When you notice negative thoughts arising, acknowledge them, but then gently redirect your attention to something more positive. Over time, you can train your mind to focus more on positive thoughts, which will help you to uplift your mood and increase your overall sense of well being. Externally, you can control your thoughts by actively seeking out positive input. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Read inspirational books and articles. Expose yourself to positive media. By doing so, you will be more likely to generate positive thoughts and ideas, which will help you to achieve your goals and fulfill your potential. Lesson 4: your thoughts have a direct impact on your actions and ultimately your life. It's important to realize that your thoughts have a direct impact on the course of your life. You see, the thoughts that you hold in your mind influence the way you feel, and the way you feel determines the actions you take. In turn, your actions create the results you experience in your life. When you hold positive, empowering thoughts in your mind, you're more likely to feel confident and inspired. This, in turn, leads to actions that are aligned with your goals and desires. You take proactive steps towards your dreams and you attract positive opportunities and experiences into your life. On the other hand, when you hold negative thoughts in your mind, you are more likely to feel anxious, frustrated, or hopeless. These emotions can lead to actions that are inconsistent with your goals or even harmful to your well being. Negative thoughts can also attract negative experiences and opportunities into your life, perpetuating a cycle of negativity and limitation. Okay, number 5: setting Clear, specific goals is essential to achieving success if you want to achieve success in any area of your life. It is essential that you set clear, specific goals. Without clear goals, it is difficult to know what you are working towards and even harder to measure your progress along the way. When setting goals, it's important to be as specific as possible. This means defining exactly what you want to achieve and setting measurable targets for the progress of your goals. For example, rather than setting a vague goal of losing weight, set a specific target of losing 10 pounds by the end of the month. This gives you a clear target to work towards and a way to measure your progress along the way. Set clear, specific goals. This also will help you to focus your energy and attention. When you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you can channel your efforts in a more focused way. This helps to increase your motivation and momentum and makes it more likely that you will achieve your goals. Of course, setting goals is just the first step to achieve success. You must also take action towards your goals on a consistent basis. This means breaking your goals down into smaller, manageable tasks and taking regular steps towards achieving them. We come to lesson number 6. Developing a burning desire to achieve your goals and use that desire to fuel your actions. Developing a burning desire to achieve your goals is essential if you want to create a lasting success in your life. A burning desire is a deep and intense passion for something that drives you to take action towards your goals, even in the face of obstacles and challenges. When you have a burning desire, you're filled with energy and motivation to take action towards your goals. You wake up each day with a sense of purpose and direction, and you're willing to do whatever it takes to achieve your dreams. To develop a burning desire, it's important to connect with the deeper meaning and purpose behind your goals. What is it that you truly want to achieve, and why is it important to you? When you have a clear understanding of why, you can tap into a deep well of motivation and how and drive. Once you have developed a burning desire, you must use that desire to fuel your actions. This means taking consistent, focused action towards your goals, even when it is difficult or uncomfortable. It means pushing past your limits and taking risks, even when the outcome is uncertain. Lesson number 7: the power of the subconscious mind. The power of subconscious mind is immense and it can be harnessed to help you achieve your goals. The power of the subconscious mind can be a powerful ally in helping you achieve your goals. What is subconscious mind? Your subconscious mind is a part of your mind that operates below your conscious awareness, and it is responsible for many of your automatic thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. One of the key ways to harness the power of subconscious mind is through the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly with the intention of influencing your subconscious mind. When you repeat affirmations, you're programming your subconscious mind to focus on positive, empowering thoughts and beliefs. Another way to harness the power of your subconscious mind is through visualization. Visualization is the practice of creating mental images of yourself achieving your goals, imagining the feelings, the sensations, and experiences associated with that achievement. By regularly visualizing yourself achieving your goals, you're programming your subconscious mind to work towards that outcome. It's important to note that your subconscious mind is always working, whether you are aware of it or not. This means if you have negative beliefs or self talk, your subconscious mind will be working to reinforce those patterns. By consciously working to program your subconscious mind with positive, empowering thoughts and beliefs can change the underlying patterns of your mind and create a more positive and fulfilling life. Remember, the positive the subconscious mind has immense power and it can be harnessed to help you achieve your goals. So take the time to progress your subconscious mind with positive affirmations and visualizations and watch as your thoughts, feelings and behavior begins to align with your deepest desires with focus, intention and willingness to work. With the power of mind, you can achieve anything you set your sights on. Lesson number 8. Okay. Your beliefs shape your reality. It's true. It's important to have positive, empowering beliefs. Your beliefs are powerful and they shape your reality in profound ways. Your beliefs are the lens through which you view the world, and they influence your thoughts, feelings, and actions. In short, your beliefs determine what is possible for you and what is not. In essential, therefore, that you cultivate positive, empowering beliefs. If you want to create a life of success and fulfillment, your belief should be aligned with your deepest desires and should support your growth and development. One of the key ways to cultivate positive, empowering beliefs is through self reflection and awareness. Take the time to examine your beliefs about yourself, your abilities, and the world around you. Are your beliefs serving you or are they holding you back? Are there any negative or limiting beliefs that you need to let go of in order to achieve your goals? Once you have identified any negative or limiting beliefs, it's important to replace them with positive, empowering ones. This can be done through the use of affirmations, visualizations, and other techniques designed to shift your mindset towards a more positive and empowering outlook. Number 9, success requires hard work and persistence, but it is worth it in the end. Success is not something that comes easily or quickly. It requires hard work, persistence, and a willingness to persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks. However, the rewards of success are immense, and the sense of accomplishment that comes from achieving your goals is truly priceless. To achieve success, you must be willing to put in the work and stay focused on your goals. This means setting clear, specific goals and developing plans to achieve them. It also means committed to your goals, even when the going gets tough. There will inevitably be challenges and setbacks along the way, but it's important to remember that these are simply opportunities to learn and grow. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to develop new skills, strengthen your resolve, and become a better version of yourself. Persistence is the key when it comes to achieving success. It's easy to get discouraged or give up when things don't go as planned. But those who are willing to persist in the face of adversity are the ones who ultimately achieve their goals. Lesson number 10, you must take responsibility for your own thoughts and actions if you want to achieve your goals. One of the most important things you can do if you want to achieve your goals is to take responsibility for your own thoughts and actions. This means recognizing that you are the one in control of your life and that your success or failure is ultimately up to you. Taking responsibility requires a willingness to be honest with yourself about your strengths and weaknesses, and a commitment to take action to improve yourself and your circumstances. It means recognizing that you have the power to choose your own thoughts and behaviors, and that these choices will ultimately determine your success or failure. One of the key benefits of taking responsibility is that it empowers you to take positive changes in your life. When you take responsibility for your thoughts and actions, you become the master of your own destiny. You are no longer at the mercy of external circumstances or the opinions of others, but are free to create your own path and pursue your own goals. Lesson number 11. It's important to develop a positive mental attitude and maintain a sense of gratitude. One of the most important things you can do to improve your life and achieve your goals is to develop a positive mental attitude and maintain a sense of gratitude. This means cultivating an optimistic outlook on life, focusing on the positive aspects of your experiences, and recognizing and expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life. A positive mental attitude is a powerful tool for success. When you approach challenges with a positive attitude, you are more likely to see opportunities where others see obstacles and to persist in the face of adversity. A positive attitude also helps you to maintain a sense of optimism and hope even during difficult times. Maintaining a sense of gratitude is also essential for success. When you cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you become more aware of the many blessings in your life and you are more likely to experience positive emotions like joy, contentment, and fulfillment. Gratitude also helps you to develop a sense of humility and appreciation for the contribution of others, which can be very important for building strong relationships and then achieving your goals. Lesson number 12. Your mind is a tool. Your mind is a tool, and it's up to you to use it to your advantage. One of the most potent weapons at your disposal is your own thinking, which is one of the most powerful weapons available to you, one of the most powerful powers available to you. It is able to do extraordinary things such as generating brand new ideas and finding solutions to difficult situations. However, just like any other tool, the success you have with it is directly proportional to how you use it. It is up to you to make the most of your mental capabilities in any situation. This entails forming positive routines such as reading, learning new things, keeping your attention focused on your objectives, avoiding negative self talk, as well as beliefs that restrict your potential. It also includes taking care of your mental health by obtaining enough amount of sleep, exercising regularly, and eating healthy. Putting your intellect to work for you also needs that you be prepared to experiment with new things and take some chances, risks. This requires getting out of your comfort zone and forcing yourself to study and develop in order to achieve success. It implies being ready to confront your own assumptions and views and being open to new ideas and perspectives. Next comes lesson number 13. You have the power to change your circumstances and create the life you want. It is important to realize that you have the power to change your circumstances and create the life you want. While external forces may play a role in shaping your life, ultimately it's your thoughts, your beliefs, your actions that determine your outcomes. To create the life you want, you must first identify what is it that you truly desire. This means setting clear, specific goals and taking action to achieve them. It also means developing a positive mental attitude and believing that you are capable of achieving your goals. It is important to remember that change is not always easy and it often requires hard work and persistence. It's also important to surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your goals, and these individuals can provide encouragement and support when you face challenges and help keep you motivated and on track. However, with the right mindset and a willingness to take action, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Lesson number 14. Don't let fear or self doubt hold you back. Don't let fear or self doubt hold you back from achieving your goals. Fear and self doubt are common obstacles that can hold you back from achieving your goals. These can create limiting beliefs and negative self talk that can prevent you from taking the necessary actions to achieve your dreams. It's important to recognize that fear and self doubt are normal emotions that everyone experiences at some point in their lives. However, it's how you respond to these emotions that will determine your success. One way to overcome fear and self doubt is to develop a positive mindset and focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem, and use them as motivation to continue moving forward. It's also important to remember that failure is a natural part of a learning process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or try new things. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Another way to overcome fear and self doubt is to take action. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and focus on taking one step at a time. As you achieve each step, you'll gain confidence and momentum, making it easier to tackle bigger challenges. Next lesson 15. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. Visualization, yes, it's a very powerful tool and it can help you achieve all your goals. It involves creating a mental image of yourself and achieving your desired outcome and focusing on that image with intention and belief. Visualization works by activating the same neural pathways in your brain that are activated when you actually perform the actions required to achieve your goal. By visualizing yourself achieving your goal, you can help to reprogram your subconscious mind, which can help you to manifest your desires in your reality. To use visualization effectively, start by setting a clear, specific goal. Then create a mental image of yourself achieving that goal in vivid detail. Focus on the emotions you feel, the actions you would take, and the outcome that you desire. It's important to visualize your goal as already achieved, as if it's already a reality. This can help you to create a sense of certainty and belief, which can increase the likelihood of your goal becoming a reality. Visualization works best when it's practiced consistently, ideally on a daily basis. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goal and focus on the positive emotions and feelings that come with it. Now, next lesson, lesson 60. You are the master of your own destiny and you have the power to create your future. My dear friend, you are the master of your own destiny. You have within you the power to create your own future and to shape your life in any way you choose. It's important to recognize that your thoughts and actions have a direct impact on the reality. You experience the beliefs, you hold the goals you set, and the actions you take all play a role in shaping your life. When you take responsibility for your thoughts and actions and focus on creating the life you desire, you become the master of your own destiny. You are the creator of your own life. Lesson 16, Miracles of Mind, continued. You are the master of your own destiny, and you have the power to create your own future. My dear friend, you are the master of your own destiny. You have the power within you to create your own future and to shape your life in any way you choose. It's important to recognize that your thoughts and actions have a direct impact on the reality. You experience the beliefs you hold, the goals you set, and the actions you take all play a role in shaping your life. When you take responsibility for your thoughts and actions and focus on creating the life you desire, you become the master of your own destiny. This means taking control of your life and making conscious choices that support your goals and dreams. It's important to set clear, specific goals and to take consistent action towards achieving them. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and you take consistent action towards that vision, you can create your own future. Lesson 17. Always strive to improve yourself and learn new things. My dear friend, one of the keys to success and fulfillment in life is to always strive to improve yourself and learn new things by continuously developing your knowledge and skills. You can unlock new opportunities, achieve greater success, and live a more fulfilling life. Here are many ways to improve yourself and learn new things. You can take courses or workshops to develop specific skills, read books or articles to expand your knowledge, or seek out mentorship or coaching to gain insights and guidance from others. It's important to approach learning and self improvement with an open mind and a willingness to take on new challenges. This may require stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing new experiences, but the rewards can be significant. In addition to improving your skills and knowledge, self improvement can also help to boost your confidence and self esteem, enhance your relationships, and improve your overall quality of life. In conclusion, the power of your mind is truly miraculous. It has the ability to shape your thoughts, actions, and ultimately your life. By taking control of your thoughts, you have to set clear goals and develop a positive mental attitude. You can unlock your mind's full potential and achieve incredible success and fulfillment. In all areas of your life, remember your mind is like a garden, and just like a garden, it must be tended to and nurtured in order to produce a beautiful and bountiful harvest. With persistence, hard work, and a burning desire, you can achieve your goals. You can harness the power of your subconscious mind to help you create the life you desire. So take responsibility for your thoughts and actions. Cultivate positive beliefs and always strive to improve yourself and learn new things with the right mindset and approach. Sky is the limit. Embrace the miracle of your mind and watch as it transforms your life in incredible ways. Thank you.